Hi, if you're a new subscriber to the Mockup Factory, this video will walk you through the steps to download the plugin, install and log in for the first time. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to install the ZXP installer. Open a browser window and navigate to the address on the screen. I'll leave the website address on the screen for easy reference. Once on the site, scroll down until you see the two orange download buttons. Select your operating system, Mac or Windows, and click to begin the download. Once the download is complete, click to open the ZXP installer. Select ZXP/UXP installer, agree to the licensing terms and click to install. Once installed, you will see a pop-up, installation successfully completed. You can close the pop-up. Now choose whether to install the extension for current user or all users, and the installation is now complete. Now that you have ZXP installer, you are ready to create your subscription to the Mockup Factory and download the plugin. To start your subscription, head over to themockupfactory.com. Once on the home page, click Pricing to view the options available. If you have a promo code, enter it into this box and click Apply. All three subscription tiers are available on a monthly or annual subscription. Print and Sublimation subscription offers sublimation effects and UV printing effects. Professional offers everything in print and sublimation and also has the benefits of wood, slate and glass engraving effects. Clicking Subscribe Now will take you to the payment gateway where you can enter your details. Once your payment has been processed, you will be sent an email with a link allowing you to set the password for your account at the Mockup Factory. Click the link in the email to set the password. Create your password, then retype to confirm and then click Update Password. You will now be automatically forwarded to your dashboard on the Mockup Factory website. From here, you will be able to download the plugin for either Windows or Mac. From the dashboard, you can also see the details of your subscription plan. Click to download the plugin. Once the file is downloaded, click Open File. This will automatically open the ZXP installer that you have just installed. You can now click Install. Once installed, a pop-up dialog box will pop up to tell you that the Mockup Factory was successfully installed. You can now close the pop-up and head over to Photoshop. Open Photoshop and navigate to the Window menu. Under Extensions, you will see the Mockup Factory plugin. Enter your login details and the password which you just created. Click Remember Me and then click Login. So that's it. The Mockup Factory plugin is now installed and ready to use. Head to the website tutorials page and watch Creating Your First Batch to get started and see the plugin in action. Any problems at all, please reach out to us at support@themockupfactory.com. Happy mockup creating and bye for now.